ClickUp allows you to create custom forms that can be used to collect information, feedback, or manage tasks efficiently. These forms are highly customizable and integrate seamlessly with your projects, making it easy to streamline data collection. Here's how to make a form in ClickUp. Access forms. Log into ClickUp. Visit clickup.com and log into your workspace. Open a workspace or project. Navigate to the workspace or project where you want to create the form. Create a form. Go to the Forms feature. In the left sidebar, click on the Forms icon or navigate to More Forms. Click Create New Form. Click the Create New Form button to start building your form. Add form details. Name the form. Provide a name for your form to help differentiate it within your workspace. Customize the form fields. Add fields. Click on Add Field to create custom fields such as text fields, drop-downs, checklists, date fields, or file uploads. Customize field properties. Each field can be customized. Text fields for entering names or descriptions. Drop-downs for predefined choices. Checklists to manage task items. Date fields for deadlines or time-sensitive data. File uploads for attaching documents. Arrange fields. Drag and drop fields to organize them in the desired order. Share and collect responses. Share the form. Click on Share Form and copy the form link or embed it into a web page or application. Review submissions. All submissions will be automatically synced with tasks or collected in a dedicated section for easy review. Integrate with projects. Link to tasks. Responses collected via the form can be converted into tasks or used to update existing ones.